show you how to create a talking avatar, but I'm going to share with you the tool I use to create this avatar in this video. I will be reviewing my email down below where you can get these tools, so click on the email and subscribe. You receive the animated marks for free. Now we use a tool called Lexica Art to generate the avatar. Type in animal character boy with hoodie. You will see many results below. Carefully pick up the one that best match your curiosity. Now we need a background for our animation studio. Try to find the one with a lot of colors that will drag attention, which will match your character. Okay, moving into the next step. Now we need to remove the background from our image. We use a free tool called background remover, or you can use Canva, CapCut. They are all free AI tools you can use. Once you're done removing the background, you come over to Adobe Photoshop. You notice our avatar has a mouth, but don't worry, we don't need that. You simply click on this brush tool and make sure you do it the exact same way, and you will get the exact same results. Now let's give our avatar a final touch by bringing our avatar to life. CapCut editing. And if you don't have the CapCut, you simply go to Google, type in CapCut.com. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to log in into my CapCut. Then you drag the editing image into the timeline. I'm going to be adding cable, microphone and a monitor. So I'm going to show you two steps right here on how to create mouth animation. This is the first step with Max. And this is the second step with talking lips. So I'm going to add some effect to finish my editing. Once that's done, you click on export, boom. So if you got value from this video, kindly smash the subscribe button and hit the like there so this video can reach a wide audience. Keep watching. More amazing videos are coming on Saturday. Stay safe.